Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So this is the second class of data cleaning and today we will be learning about find and replace functionality in G-Sheet. So find basically help the user to search any content into the G-Sheet and replace basically help to modify the content if needed. For example, if you want to find any pattern, number, text, you can find that with the help of find functionality. And if you want to modify the same, you can use the replace functionality. So how can you find it? Suppose I want to find John. So first we need the dialog box of the search dialog box. So we can click Control F and we can get that dialog box. Now I can type in that value which I want to find. So if I put here Joan, so I can see like all the occurrence of Joan are highlighted. But what if we want to make this as case sensitive and like we want to match the entire content of the cell? So we have to go on this more options, and to make it match sensitive, so we have to click here. One more thing you need to note here, like there are three options. You can either search in entire sheet, all sheet, or the specific range. So here I want to choose in, like here I want to search in the specific range, so I'm choosing that. And now we have to highlight this range and then okay. So suppose now if I'm trying to find Joan, so what happened? It is saying that no more match found looping around. So it is giving us only one result, Joan 123, and it is not highlighting this value because we have made this search bar as case sensitive, and it is only highlighting the cell wherever J is capital. So this is how we can make the search bar case sensitive. But now if we want to match the entire cell content, so we have to tick mark this also. And now if we will try to find Joan, so now we can see that there are no entries matching Joan. So we are not gonna find any entry because in now G-Sheet is trying to match the entire cell content, and like Joan is not matching with any of them. Now third option is search using regular expression. So this is very handy and powerful option in the G sheet. So by using this, you can search any pattern based upon the rule, and if you want you can replace those patterns also. And this is really very powerful in data cleaning. So to use that, we have to learn first the rules, and then we will be implementing the same rule to solve the problem statement so that you can get the hands on the same. So these are the rules. For example, if I am searching the pattern dot, it means any single character. Backslash D means any digit from 0 to 9. Backslash W means any word character. Plus means one or more time. So basically, suppose I find dot plus, it means that any single character, but that can be one or more times. And this star means 0 or more times, and this means the start of the text, and this dollar means end of the text. So how can we use it? Let's do it practically. So suppose I want to find first word space, second word space, third word. So how can I find it? This dot plus. So this is saying that any single character one or more number of times, then space, then dot, then plus, then space, then dot, then plus, right? And now I'm saying that I want to search through search using regular expression, and now if I will try to find it, so what I'm doing, I'm first changing the range. So here, and I'm choosing this range. Now if I will okay, and now if I'll find it, so it is highlighting this word. So first word, then space, second word, then space, then third word. So this is how we can find the patterns. Suppose one more pattern I am trying to find, like I am trying to highlight all the cells wherever I do have digits, like one or more digits. So how can I find it? So this backslash D and then plus and then find. So it is saying that John 123, then second occurrence is Anjali, then Ravi 007, then Khushbu. After that, there is no row in which we do have digits also. So that you can see also, no more result found looping around. So this is how this match functionality work. Let's solve a problem statement so that you can get the hands on over the same. So this is the problem statement. So this is the data set basically, and we have to clean this data. So we have to basically remove 123 2024. This at the rate is used, so we have to replace it with single at the rate. Third thing, like here dot is used, we have to replace it with single dot. How can we clean that? So first we will be needing that pop-up. So control H. So this is a shortcut if you want to have this find and replace pop-up. So first problem statement is you have to leave the empty space wherever the digits are there. So we have used \d plus, then we have to replace it with space, and then we have to select the range also. So this range, and then OK, and then this is fine. This we can remove, search using regular expression, and then replace all. So we can say that this 1 2 3 or we can see that all the digits are removed. So this is how it works. Now first problem statement has been resolved. Second problem statement is you have to replace, if there are more than one at the rate, you have to replace it with single at the rate. So here I will replace at the rate, then I want to replace it with at the rate, and then replace all. So now you can see that all the occurrences of double at the rate or more than one at the rate is replaced by a single at the rate. Now third problem statement is you have to fix this dot. So if I will dot plus more, if there are more than one dot, you have to replace it with single dot. But like as I have already told you, this dot means like you are trying to find the character. So we have to make G-Sheet understand that this is not a character but this is a literal dot. So how can you make that understand? You have to use the escape character, and from like from which thing I want to replace, if there are more than one occurrence of dot, with the dot only. So I will put dot here and then replace all. So now you can see that we have replaced this double dot with the single dot. So this is how we can clean the data, or we can leverage this regular expression function. Now again control H. So there is one more option also, search within formula. So there are the times like whenever you used the formula wrongly and you want to replace that particular occurrence in every formula. So how can you do that? You can search within the formulas also. Isn't it cool? So suppose here I put 23 and here I put 43, and I want to do the sum of both. So here equal to sum of this cell plus this cell. So as I find like results are wrong, so I found that I need to replace this B with A. So how can I replace it? So I have to choose this, also search within formula, and then I have to replace this B with A. So this is it, and now I will replace all. Okay, so now you can see that we have replaced in the formula also. Similarly, if you want to search within the link, so then you can use this option. So I hope you have understood it well. Thank you.